Once again, remind you about our friends at Classic Equine. Stop by and visit with Tricia or Sarah. Hey, they've been trusted by more trainers and professionals than any other equine equipment company. Thank you to our friends at Classic Equine. So BLAZIN Slick. Tyler Crosby's now clear to run. Larry and Denise Bledsoe, Homer, Nebraska, are the owners. Rochelle Smith Mose, Bend, Oregon, is the breeder. 17,985 yesterday for the lefty. Slick by Design is the sire. BLAZIN Rockstar by BLAZIN Jetelina is the dam. $17,671, 17671 for Tyler.